Hello friends, this is Nemo Peng from Gospel Boat. Nice to see you again. Today, I'm glad to introduce one 9-meter easy craft to you, the one behind me. We just get it ready to be delivered. So it is finished out fitting, so I can show you the inside to let you have a general idea. Recently, a 9-meter easy craft is very popular because it has a bigger cabin, and it has rest area, it has kitchen area, and it has a separate toilet. So many customers prefer this boat. I show you now. This is the outlook. I can't show you from the exact side because there are many boats around it. It is a deep way and a pontoon hull combination, so the performance of braking wheel and stability is very good. For twin engine and has a swing board. Let's get up. Now I'm standing at the rear part, so you can have an overview of the cabin. Let's get in. This is the second steering system and inside the cabin. At the front is the rest area. So when you're tired, you can lay down and have a rest. This is the console dash. This is a Bluetooth stereo to play music. Switch panel, fuel gauge and water gauge. This is for customer to install the electronics. Marine covers, window wiper, speaker of the stereo. On right side, it is the captain seat, and behind it is the kitchen area. You can put a fridge here, and this is the sink and stove. So you can do some cooking. And this, on left side, there are 2 passenger seats and one adjustable table. Because inside, customers select black color, so a little dark. This seat is 2-way. You can face back to have a conversation with your friend. Also can face front. Yeah, this is a bench seat. There will be a cushion here. And this is a separate toilet room. The toilet also can install a shower. Yeah, for the door of a toilet, you can open inside, also can open to the deck. Also can open here. I will suggest the customer open to deck. It will be more convenient. And this is the deck area. We have rod holders, cup holders in the gun wheel. Cutting bait board, live bait tank, rod holder, knife holder, the battery box with battery switch, folding seat, Also too, alongside the gun wheel. This is an option. You can select, if you don't want, can remove it. On hard top, there are rod holders, and this is the canvas canopy. Deck light. Okay friends, if you are interested in this boat, feel free to ask me more questions if you want. See you